Honda Transalp XL750 secret USB charging point, which is located just underneath the seat. Well, it's no real secret, it's under the seat towards the rear. This is it here. So all you do is just move that slightly out, just holds onto this bracket here, with there, take the dust cover off and insert a USB-C charging cable. Bit firm going in there, but that sort of tells you that it's going to be possibly dust-proof and semi-waterproof. And from that point there, you can charge your iPhone or whatever you like. Maybe you have a pack on the back of your bike and you might have some GoPro gear or something like that. You can charge away. Alright, so there it is. Secret little USB charging point on the back of the Honda Transalp XL750. Thanks for watching, guys. Please comment down below, like, subscribe and share, all that sort of stuff. Cheers.